Hi, this is Griffin with Wason Furniture, and today we're going to be building the Mainstays 4-shelf metal frame bookcase. This product can only be found on walmart.com. Before you start, you want to make sure that none of your panels have any damage and that you have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can contact the number on the front of the manual and we'll get you taken care of. If everything is in order, then we can begin assembly. For step 1, we're going to need our 2D metal frames and our 2E metal frames and 4 of our screws here. We want to make sure that we line up the D frames so that these little hang off edges are on the same side and the flush edges align as well. We'll then want to stand one of them up and attach the E frame as well. And you want to make sure that the pre-drilled holes on the side are facing horizontally and not up and down. Then you come from the outside with one of your screws, put it through, and then hand tighten down. We do not want to tighten this all the way down until we have everything attached. Okay, once you have all 4 screws in there, you can go ahead and tighten them down. Don't tighten them down all the way, but just get them down pretty tight. We want to leave it a little bit loose so there's a little bit room for it to flex until we get everything attached. Okay, for step 2, we're going to take the rest of our E metal frames here. We're going to take 4 of our little 4 protectors labeled number 5 and 12 of our screws labeled number 1. To start, we can take our little floor protectors here, and those are going to go down here on the little lip. You simply just push these in, and if it's not going all the way in, we can go and grab a hammer and push it all the way in. Don't want to hurt your hands on that. And then of course, these do screw in and out for leveling adjustments, but we can wait until we have the unit upright for that. So I'll just screw them all the way in for now. And then similar to step 1, we're just going to use our screws to attach these E-bars here. And again, you just want to make sure that those pre-drilled holes on the side are facing towards the left and the right and not up and down. Okay, once we have all these E-bars on here, we can go ahead and tighten them down just a little bit more, just so that they're not spinning around. Okay, for step 3, we're going to take our B panels here and 18 of our screw number 2s. We're going to start by just grabbing one of our B panels, and we're going to notice that one of the sides has pre-drilled holes on it. That is the side that we want to go up against these E-bars here. And we want to start up here, up on the top, just to make it easier for us to screw in the screws. So locate the side, that's the top, that's flush. It doesn't have the little legs down here. We then want to, locate the pre-drilled holes and make sure that that side of the B panel is up against these bars here. So just kind of angle it in. Then it should slide nice and flush. And then we're going to secure using 6 of our screws. 2 are going to go on these cross beams, and then 2 on each of the E bars right here. So 2 along the top, and then 2 on each, or 1 on each side here. And then we're just going to repeat that 2 more times. For step 4, we're going to take our A panel here. You want to find the side that does not have the 4 pre-drilled holes. So this side does not have any pre-drilled holes, so this is the top. You'll then want to take your safety strap here, and then your little screw and washer. Put the screw through the washer, and then the screw through the safety strap. And then you just want to pick a side here, right there in the middle, and just screw that screw into the top of the A panel. Okay, for step 5, we're going to attach the A panel to the rest of the assembly here using 6 of our screw number 2s. So here we just want to align the A panel up to the top of the unit here. Make sure that your safety strap is right here and your pre-drilled holes are up against the metal here. And then just attach with your 6 screws through the pre-drilled holes. Okay, then for step 6, we can go ahead and sand our unit up. You'll want to put this unit up against the wall and attach the safety strap to the wall to keep it from falling over on anybody. And once you do that, you have a complete unit.